Anna, what are you doing? Sit down.
Hey, Mom, can I take a shower?
Willow, get in your bed.
Okay.
Bradley, go to bed. Annabelle, you better watch it. Go back up the stairs. Anna, go up the stairs. Go get Bubby. Go get Bubby. Lily, call to Anna. Go up the stairs, Anna. Look. Go get your toy. Go get it. Move, Lily. Go up the stairs, Anna. Go back up. We're going to go get in bed now. Go up. You don't want to play on him anymore. Go up. You coming back down? What did you put in your mouth?